our trader rundown, Alan Knuckman, a bullseye option, is here to get our day rolling along, and always good to have Alan on the show.
Good morning,
Thanks,
Angie.
Alan. So I want to take a look at the market action, but first we have this Fed meeting coming up today, and we also have earnings coming in. So what do traders care about most?
I think the market's more focused on the earnings. We've got 200 of the S&P 500 stocks report this week. So that's going to be where the focus is, I think. I don't think the Fed is much of an issue right now, but the focus needs to remain on the earnings at this time of year.
Now, yesterday we had that big deal announced between Yahoo and Verizon. How well do you think that played out in the market?
Well, it had been widely telegraphed, so the market had pretty much expected that to happen. Some people had compared it to the AOL issue, if you remember the dot-com bomb, and that was kind of the turning point in tech in the past. I don't see this as a big deal. You know, it was only $5 billion, if you can say $5 billion only.
Only $5 billion. Nice money. Let's take a look at your stock play of the day. It is DuPont. Why this stock and why now?
Well, I'm trying to be extremely patient. We've got nothing but straight up, okay? So we've been waiting for the markets to pull back to give a better risk reward. I'm still bullish, still looking at some upside. There are a couple of stocks that really haven't participated in the rally, and you have to really pick those at this time. I like DuPont. I like the Dow. My target for year end on the Dow is plus 10%, which would be up to 19,200. So we still have about 4% upside from where we are now. The Dow's up 6% on the year. This stock's been kind of treading water, trading between 62 and 70 for the last 5 months. If you break out above 70, then it targets 78.
Okay, so interesting to say that about the Dow, your call on our show. I can't wait to see if that happens. You're making a lot of happy people here. So
optimism.
You're very optimistic. Yes, glass always half full. So DuPont, you're looking for a rally in this stock. So how much of a rally do you anticipate here?
Well, that's looking for about a 15% move. Now, if you compare that to the Dow itself, DuPont's only up a couple of percent, whereas the Dow is up much greater than that. So, you know, it's had a series of lower highs and higher lows. So it's forming a nice technical pattern here, looking like it wants to break to the upside or rally up through there. So we'll have to wait and see. In an interesting sidebar, this got my attention thinking of cotton. Cotton had a big pop a couple weeks ago, moved up 10% in one day. So maybe people will be looking to alternative materials.
Oh, other than the polyester that DuPont makes.
Right. So it's a little bit, that's where it got my attention. I don't know if it has any correlation or any play. It's, you know, it's a small part of it, but it got my mind thinking, and DuPont, you know, benefits from lower energy prices, and we're seeing oil prices move back down one more time.
I like the feel of cotton. So thanks for being on the show today.
All right. Thank you.